Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21, and let me show you how to activate TalkBack on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open accessibility, and now go to the screen reader, so it's the first possibility here. And if you'd like to activate the voice assistant, which is TalkBack, just tap on the switcher and then activate it by tapping on allow, double tap, and that's it. Now you've got tutorial right in front of you, so you can find some of them, double tap to open further details. Then if you'd like to go back, mark back button and double tap to select it. So basically all you have to do here is, maybe I will just click here and then you will be informed.
Your phone provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what you touch, select, and activate. If you turn voice assistant on by mistake, tap the switch until an outline appears around it, then double tap it to turn it off. Perform the same action for the OK button in the confirmation that appears in list 5 items. Accessibility volume 100%.
So this is it. Then if you'd like to turn voice assistant off, just tap here and double tap to turn it off. Click on turn off, click twice, and that's it. So basically that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.